Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to create Veo3 AI style videos without any Google subscription, or even get access of top tier brands AI generation models like Seedance, Killing AI or Runway ML. So why use multiple AI platforms and pay them when you get all of these AI generation models in just a single website? So as always, without wasting any single second, let's start it. Now head over to Easemate AI, the ultimate hub where you will find all the tools you need in one place, from powerful AI chats featuring ChatGPT, free version Gemini, DeepSeek, Grow and more. Chat PDF for reading and analyzing. Whether you are a blogger, student or quiz game creator, Easemate has dedicated tools for you. In AI photo section, explore high quality image generators like AI face swap or even impressive flux context image tool. But the real game changer, AI video creation tools including Veo3 video generator, viral kissing trend templates, Seedance and Midjourney style video models that bring your ideas to life. And finally, in the all tools section, you will find countless other AI tools categorized by your content type. So at first, I will start from AI video, Veo3 video generator. So in this section, you will see sample videos that are currently trending like fruit glass cutting and that cat type of videos, and you just need a single prompt to create this kind of videos. You have two options here, image to video and text to video, with 5 different aspect ratios optimized for various platforms. At the bottom, you will find 6 to 7 top quality video models including Runway, 2 versions of Veo3, Seedance Lite and Pro, and 3 Killing AI models, Standard, Pro and Master. Let's begin by typing a prompt for Veo3 which I generated using ChatGPT. After entering your prompt, just tap generate and let's see. Okay, so our video is generated. Let's see the preview, and wow, the video quality is exactly what I wanted. The detail is superb. Let's try another one. A girl with glowing eyes in a dark LA. Okay, alright, let's wait a moment. Okay, now let's check preview according to our prompt. Damn it, now I can literally generate any scene I want from my video animations, even hyper personalized scenes that don't exist in real life. This time I'm switching to the AI image generator feature. Okay, so simply enter your prompt here. You can generate via ChatGPT. I have generated. Now you have to select the aspect ratio. I will select the landscape format. Here you get to choose from 3 powerful models like ChatGPT 4 Image, Flux Context Pro and Flux Max. So I will select a Flux Pro model and selecting JPG as the output, no worries, and I am good to go. Okay, this is seriously impressive. The output is so detailed and clean. Flux image generator is insanely good. Now I'm downloading this image and heading back to the video generator. This time I'm choosing the image to video option and uploading this same image. It auto generates a prompt to turn the image into a dynamic animation. Now you have to select the models. So I will select Kling Standard Veo3. So now this time I will select Seedance Pro. Seriously guys, can you believe how detailed this is? It captures the character perfectly, even animated smoothly like it's nothing. Nobody would guess this was created from a single static image. That's mind-blowing. Let's try another one. A man in jungle drinking coke, sunbeams through the trees. And I will choose Veo3 fast model with audio and let's wait. Video generated. Look at the character holding the coke can perfectly aligned. Even the sunbeam through the trees are rendered just the way I described. It's so amazing. Guys, you should definitely visit Easemate AI, and the best part, you get free credits every day to create this kind of videos. Now let's try some cool and trending features like AI face swapping. You just need to upload an original image where you want to glue your face. Basically it's trending everywhere on social media, and now you have to upload your face image, that target one. Okay, now choose the image ratio and tap generate. It will take couple of minutes and there you go. Okay, I have won the award. This feature is really going viral everywhere on the internet these days. You can use swap face and just get likes. Now, as I told you, there are a lot of features to explore based on your taste or content. Now I'll show you the Midjourney video model. Damn, that subscription used to hurt me. I'm describing a scene like it's 2050 and aliens, robot attack on Earth, people escape, burning city. That's enough. And now aspect ratio, I will select landscape and let's see. Okay, so we have the result, and as you can see, I just got a masterpiece. It's look like a Hollywood movie scene. We have done CGI and that kind of VFX in just a single prompt. That's pretty amazing. Apart from that, you can use ChatGPT's latest version for free here. Ask anything just like would you in that app or desktop version, and it serves you like a king, sir. I just want to say in the end, why juggle between multiple platforms to get better results when you can use one platform that does it all? Without the headache, you have got all the tools in just a single website, Easemate AI. Link in the description, must check out if you want to create stunning videos.